Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to be showing you how you can restyle your eyebrows. So all you're going to need is just a little palette for your eyebrows, and we're going to completely change the shape. So we're going to go from eyebrows like this into eyebrows like this. So stay tuned and I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So like I showed you, you're going to need a little palette like that. This particular one is HD Brows. This is bought through Amazon. And these are the colors. This is the highlighter, as you can see, I never use. This is the lighter brown, darker brown, black, which I never use. And then this is the brow wax. So today I'm going to be using the brown, this kind of brown on my eyebrows. And you've got a little brush in there as well. And the brush comes with the angled brush on this end, and then you've got this kind of brush on the other end. So this brush I normally use for my eyeshadows and this angled brush I'm using for my eyebrows. So I'm going to show you what I'm doing. What I do to start with, I normally brush my eyebrows up. So that's how I start to style my eyebrows. So I'm going to brush them up. And when I brush them up, it gives me the opportunity to see where the line is supposed to go. So as you can see in this part, I've got a little bit of brow missing. So I'm gonna have to make sure that I will cover that gap with my palette, okay, with the color. So I just brushed my eyebrows up and I'm going to get my brown. And I'm using angled brush where the longer part, okay, it's facing towards to the nose. So the shorter part, it's facing up like that. So as you can see, that's what I'm doing. All I'm doing is I'm pretending that I'm drawing a line. Okay, so like this, it gives me nice definition for my eyebrows. So this is how it's looking like already. Okay, and as soon as I reach my arch area, I then dip my brush and I follow towards down. So I've got this really nice line in here. Okay, and this is how it's going to look like comparing to my other eyebrow. So all I've done is just draw a line across there. Now I'm going to work on the upper eyebrow. So what you can do, you can push the eyebrows down just to see the shape. And you need to, if you want to make them slightly thicker, which I'm going to do in my case right now, I am going to follow the highest hair I've got on my eyebrows. So I'm not going to finish exactly where is my darkest hair, but I will follow the finest hair on top of my eyebrows. So I'm going to go like that. And I will follow my highest hair up there. So make sure that the color is really similar to your eyebrows as well, because we don't want to see such a big difference in color. And then once you reach your point, then you follow down, okay? So once you've got your eyebrows in the shape you would like, now you can fill in your eyebrows with the color. So what I normally do, I go against the hair just to make sure that the color goes in between where it is a little bit gappy, and then I go together with the hair just to make it nice. If you do see any gaps, please make sure that you go back with your brush and you fill in those gaps. Just try to be really careful when you are working around the edges. If you do go out from your line, please don't worry. You can just use cotton bud and you can just wipe off extra what you don't want. So this is one of my eyebrow, and as you can see, half of my face, it completely changed the feature of my face. So this one, the whole face looks like it's lifted up, and this one, it's more dropped. So that's how eyebrows are so important. Now we're going to try to match them. So I know we say that eyebrows should be like twins, but we can never create twins. We try to create sisters. So let's go for it and try to match this eyebrow, okay? So brush the eyebrows up. And that gives you a nice line. By the way, if you need a video about shaping your eyebrows, I've got an amazing video about how to exactly shape your eyebrows. So I'm gonna make sure I pop it in my comments. So once you brushed your hair down, now you can continue and create line again. And you follow the highest hair on top. So you try to reach the highest hair. We're going to fill in the eyebrows. So we can go opposite direction just to make sure that we don't miss any area and the eyebrows looks nice and full. Now I'm going to brush them again. And this is it. This is how I style my eyebrows. So they look very similar. Okay, if you do have to trim them, don't be shy. Just make sure that you brush them up and you trim them really, really gently. I always say less is more. So just make sure you brush it, trim it, and if you do feel that you need to trim a little bit more, then you can trim slightly more, but don't go over the top where you trim way too much. But that's absolutely, I'm happy with this shape, but as you can see, it completely changed my face. So I hope you like this video and you're going to give me thumbs up, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!